Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my SQL tutorial. So in the last video, we saw about the temporary tables. So link is in the description. You can go through the video. So moving forward, today we are going to discuss about the limit keyword in SQL. Okay. So it's just like similar to the top and percent, as we have discussed in the day 11. So I will provide the description video link in the description. So in SQL Server, actually the limit instead of limit keyword for the SQL Server, we can deal with the top n percent. Okay. So I will provide that video link also in the description. So the limit keyword is used in database like MySQL or PostgreSQL. For that particular database, we can use the limit keyword. Actually, it is used to specify the maximum number of records to return in a result set. Okay. So just for a sample, I will show you in my SQL Server only using the top keyword. So I am having one student table here. Okay. So it consists of 5 records. Okay. Now let's say I want to just fetch the first 2 records or the first top 2 records. So I will mention just like this. So it will, what the system did, out of 5 records, it fetches only the first 2 records out of the total number of records in the student table. In the similar way, the limit keyword also works exactly same like this top. Just the difference is in SQL Server, we'd have to deal with this top and percent. But for unlike other database like MySQL, we can use the limit keyword here. Okay. So basic syntax, it's select start from table name limit followed by the number of records. Okay. So out of, let's say, in your table you have employee table. So you have, let's say, 50 or 100 records, and you have to fetch only the first 10 records. So in this type of scenario, you can use the limit keyword. Okay. So one example I have shown here, one syntax, select start from student limit 5. So what it will do, out of the total number of records for the student table, it will show us the, or it will return first 5 records from the student table. Okay. It's very simple. I hope you guys are getting. So let's talk about the use cases now. I mean, for what type of scenario we can use this? Fetching a small sample of data. So as we saw now, for this type of scenario, we can pagination results. So like if you have a sales order page, let's say, okay. So based on some filters, you are fetching the orders list. So there can be, like, if you are fetching monthly orders, okay. So monthly orders may be in thousands or 2000 or 10,000s of records, right? So you we can apply pagination. So with respect to pagination, also we can filter the records, right? So in the first page, there will be the latest records, latest 10 records, 20 records. In the next page, followed by the another 20 records. So like this, for this type of scenario also we can use the limit keyword or top person, improving performance. So rather than fetching the whole records, let's say you have student records. Let's say you have lakhs of millions of records. So rather than fetching the whole records, so based on some criteria and using this limit or top person, okay, we can enhance the system performance, right? Quick. So by doing this, we can do quick analysis. Okay. So mainly for reporting purpose, the projects having reporting modules. So for that reporting modules, so this particular limit keyword we can use, right? So important note is the limit keyword is supported by many SQL databases, okay, like MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQLite also, okay. So for this type of databases, the limit keywords are used, okay. But for SQL Server, we can achieve the same thing using the top or fetch next clauses, okay. instead of limit. So that's the difference. Apart from this, nothing change. Both works exactly same. We get the exact result. You can you can try it out. Okay. You can write the same query in MySQL using the limit keyword and in SQL Server using the top keyword. So the result will be same. Okay. So I hope you guys are getting. Let me know in the comment section. So in the next video, we are going to see about the coding order and execution order in SQL, which is a very important part. So mostly one of the favorite interview questions. So in the next video, we are going to discuss this. Okay. So thank you. Have a nice day.